guys, this is Alisha from Team Miss Malini and I'm here with the very beautiful Sayami Kher today. Say hi.
Hi.
So we are back with No Filter Fashion Chat and I have some questions for Sayami because she's been everywhere of late, right? First of all, because we're so obsessed with fashion, I'm going to start with that.
Yes.
Tell me about all your experiences walking the ramp from Gaurav Gupta at Couture Week to Amazon India Fashion Week.
So actually my very first experience was like 4 years ago for Manish.
Okay.
I was walking for my Masi for Mijwa.
Huh.
So that was the first time I ever went on a ramp. And you know, there's so much that goes around it and there's so much tension that goes around for just 10 seconds. Where there's so much that's built up and then it's over in 10 seconds. But but I think the high you get in those 10 seconds cannot be related to anything else.
Incomparable.
It's incredible. So with Gaurav, I felt that was my first showstopper experience.
Yeah.
So that was another high altogether.
Also, I mean, dressing up for the ramp for a designer show and for like appearances is one thing and your own like personal kind of vibe is another. So you want to tell us about which one you like? Do you like dressing up for red carpet events and all that fancy stuff, or are you more...
You know, see, I'm a very chill person.
Yeah.
So if I'm given a choice, I'll go for my own wedding in shorts. If I have to wear, I'm in shorts practically every single day of my life. So I'm not used to seeing myself.
This is some serious real girl talk, guys. I'm feeling this so much.
So I'm not used to seeing myself, you know, really dressed up and pretty and things like that. So when I did this film for the first time and I was wearing a Sabyasachi sari, I was wearing Sabya's lehenga.
Yeah.
I said, wow, this looks good, yeah. You know, because I've never worn it. I've just always been somebody who's always been in shorts. So when I wore it, I realized that I like it. I really do.
But like, what was your experience like being out in front of the camera for the first time? Is there some like sort of lesson that you'll kind of take with you from your first film?
My lesson will be that, you know, I know very little.
Yeah.
So the
You're
lesson
constantly
is
learning.
that I'm constantly learning. And that I got actually from Om sir, Om Puri also. Somebody said, हम हमेशा सीखते रहते हैं.
Huh.
So just such seasoned actors are saying that, then who are we?
Yeah.
You know, that's what it was. That was the biggest learning.
Okay, I have another question with hair care and beauty. Can you give us like some tips, maybe like home remedy tricks, or I don't know. Like,
So you know, I feel lots of people have said this, but that is the truth.
Yeah.
Sleep and water.
yeah.
I feel there are two things. Unfortunately for us, getting sleep, especially during promotions, is to be like 2 and 3 hours of sleep at most, because you're traveling so much. But just getting those power naps when we can,
Yeah.
and constantly hydrating, I feel is extremely important. And I am somebody who I feel that if you're mentally at peace, it shows on your face, it shows on your skin. So if you know, meditate for 10 minutes, 15 minutes in a day,
Yeah.
it just shows.
Happy girls are pretty girls, right?
So as long as that shows, and I feel with hair, for me, my hair is very different from you know most. So I've been very fortunate to get correct products that really work for me.
Okay.
And other than that, you know, just basic taking care. I'm not somebody who believes in you know too many fancy things.
Who are your beauty and fashion idols? It can be like Hollywood or Bollywood or general
I
life.
feel over here, because Sonam set the trend.
Yeah.
She's somebody who's got fashion into this industry. So definitely Sonam here. And I feel Rihanna is very cool, you know.
Yeah.
I feel she's somebody who doesn't care. She
Yeah.
just does what she wants to.
Yeah.
And she carries it off.
Yeah.
It's not like she's trying to be a wannabe, you know. She carries it
Yeah.
off. She's very sporty, which I connect with. I feel there's a lot of... She's comfortable with being sporty. And she's sexy. So I think Rihanna and Sonam.
Okay, so I have one last request. Since you've constantly been saying that you live in your shorts, do you want to show us maybe a couple of different ways to
Great,
style
let's do
your
it.
shorts?
Let's do that.
Yeah? Yay! Stay tuned, guys. It's happening.
If you like this video, please like and subscribe.